Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality of edit BOM in bulk, edit bill of material in bulk. So earlier you used to see there was an option to upload bill of material, new bill of material in bulk and download the bill of material in bulk. Now from where you can edit the BOMs in bulk. So first of all, let us go to all modules and then click on production. Once you will come in production, you need to go to bill of material. On your right hand side, you will see an option of bulk action. Please click on that. After that, please check here. You will get an option of edit BOMs. Click on this. Now, you need to download the template. How you can do so? Click on download template. And here you need to select the file, the BOM which you need to edit. So I selected this particular BOM and this one, two BOMs I selected. After that, I will click on submit. Once I click on submit, a template will get downloaded. I have already created a template for you. Let me show you. So this is the template. Here I have already kept the item which I am going ahead and editing. So what I will do, I will quickly just copy it. You can take it from your inventory and then after you can put it in the file. So I simply just went ahead and made changes in few of the RM. Let me delete it. Now, I will save this particular bill of material and close this file. After closing this file, what I will do, I will go back to transact, click here to browse your device and will select the bill of material. Click on upload. Once I click on upload, please check. Item name required for serial number 1, row 2 in RM. So item name was missing. So what I will do, I will quickly just close this window, go back to my inventory and I will take the item name. So let us open the file which was there. After opening the file which I downloaded, I will quickly put the item name here. So let's go to RM. This is the item. So I will simply just mention the item name from my inventory. It's master batch PPA. I can type it, I can copy it as well. Master batch PPA. Now let me quickly make the changes. What is the second item? Proc 10. So I will simply mention Proc 10 and it is cut. So in this, what I will do, I will simply just go ahead and copy the item name. So I will come here, I will mention the item name, click on save, go back. I will quickly go to production module. After going into production module, click on bulk action, edit BOM, then click on browse your device. Just a moment, I need to close this particular file. Yeah. So I will click here, selected this file. Please check. Now my bill of material is ready to be edited. Ignore warning and proceed. So here my BOM is getting edited. I will click on finish and please check your two of the BOMs are edited. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to edit the BOM. Have a good day ahead.